Hi guys, I just wanted to talk with you a little bit on how to use Cami in Pearson Connexus to be able to submit assignments that maybe you don't want to print or maybe you don't have the access or ability to print and you want to be able to write text, you want to draw, you need to produce this portfolio or project and submit it to your teacher. So we've been talking about social studies. This is fourth grade, and we're looking at the United States portfolio, the geography piece where we're going to be doing mapping. So if you click here and open up those directions, you'll see right away that you have all of the directions for the activity. I happen to know that if you scroll down a little bit, you also have the maps that are the things that are necessary to complete this project. So if you can't print those maps, go ahead and click the K up in the top right, which says open with Cami. It'll open it right up and you can see now you have an editing ability. You have a lot of buttons to help work with you to make this a complete project. You have dictionary, you do have text to speech. You can mark it up, you can add text boxes, drawing shapes, erasers. You can also place in images. So within these directions, it also talks about that, inserting images, drawing or cutting and pasting images into that map. So those directions right there, the images here would help you search onto Google and you could insert some images as well. So if I scroll down, because I know that map that we need for our western part of the United States is toward the bottom and it's actually the page 7. I scroll down here and I can actually start working within the document. I can be drawing. I can add shapes. If I want to search an image, it gives me options for my computer, Google Drive. You can search or you can just add stickers. So for instance, the one where we need to insert for our region, the resources that are available, we might want to click Google search and there I am. Let's go ahead and open this window. We might want to look for pears because we know pears are, oh, cute. Let's do this one. Pears are a resource in our area. Let's select that. Oh, it's correct. Let's try again. So let's open up another search for pears. And if we look in here, let's choose one that might not be corrupt. I don't know. There it is. Click to drop so we can drop it right into Oregon or close by. You can kind of hover over and begin to drag this picture. So then it lives right on the state of Oregon because that's one of our resources, pears. Okay. Now you can save this to Drive when you're done and then share this on Pearson with your teacher. So if I want to save it to Drive, I would click here and save it as my resource map. And then when I'm ready, I can erase everything I've worked on with my resources. And I've already saved it. I'll just go ahead and erase this. I'll delete. And then you can add in the information for the climate map, for the political map, whatever it is that you need to complete. Make sure you save it with the name that makes sense, and then you're ready to share that with your teacher. You can also come up here and save. You can also download the documents. It's really not that hard to use. I hope you can find it really useful to use Cami in Pearson.